Yes, normally when you route your shipping documents through the bank, that your bank would have told you to route it through the bank is because your bank would have probably given you some kind of funding, packing credit or something like that, right? So when you submit to the bank the documents, it is then the message is sent to the buyer makes payment. If the bank would have given you pre-shipment finance to prepare your order, to pay to the rice miller or to pay your supplier, then and the payment comes in say 20 days, right? So they would deduct for you the 20 days interest, right? So when your export payment comes, the bank will deduct their margin, and also bank will deduct their processing fees for that, and then give you the balance payment.